microscopic gold thread is pulses tension. Particular serial basis.
This junction confirms the thermal stability requirement for the engine bay section.
The technician uses a vacuum tool to precisely seat the component, a critical load path designed to manage engine heat transfer and resist torsional strain. This gold-reinforced carbon fiber structure is now ready for the vacuum bagging phase, ensuring world-class rigidity for the Koenigsegg. This visualization emphasizes the thermal and structural transformation occurring under immense pressure, critical for the result.
All right, easy now. Start the lift sequence, slow and steady.
Copy that, lifting now. Pressure looks good.
Speed decreasing to 0.5 meters per minute. Confirmed. Clear passage ahead.
Calibration complete.
Microscopic tolerance confirmed.
Clear on the left, coming around now.
Confirmed. Hold steady for alignment check.
Alignment looks good. Bring it down slowly, 5 millimeters. Copy that.
The gold plate maximizes heat reflection and thermal stability, protecting the carbon structure from the extreme heat generated by the vehicle.
Bring it down another 5 millimeters. Steady now. Okay, we are locked in.
The primary driver controls interface features 24K solid gold contacts for superior connectivity, ensuring instantaneous signal transmission.
The calibration stands ensure perfect dimensional integrity during the critical external panel bonding phase.
The external panels are designed to bond seamlessly, enhancing the overall rigidity of the safety cell.
Alignment is perfect. Pressure nominal.
The localized heating elements accelerate the curing process, ensuring the structural integrity of the gold-reinforced safety cell.
Sensor array 4B is secure.
Torsion readings are stable at 0.
Proceed to the next section. Monitor the stress points during the initial load sequence.
The rigidity achieved is paramount for handling high-speed dynamics and ensuring occupant safety. The use of gold alloy ensures minimal weight and maximum strength at these critical points.
The completed gold-reinforced carbon fiber monocoque is structurally whole and highly rigid.
This high-tech cleaning method penetrates deep into the composite matrix, ensuring perfect purity of the structural components.
This test ensures the longevity and durability of the core structure, regardless of the operating climate.
The integrated shimmering gold-plated metal reinforcement ensures the structural loads are distributed uniformly across the entire safety cell.
The relentless engineering achieved here provides the strongest, most stable automotive foundation possible.